What's up, my people? Okay, so now this video is going to be of me using a 5x5 closure, and I'm going to be using 30 developer and some bleach by Clairol. Right here I'm showing you guys how I mix the bleach and developer together to get the right texture so that it won't be too liquidy or too thick. I'm going to show you guys how I lay the product onto the lace, and I let it sit on there for about 15 minutes, and you guys are going to see what it looked like afterwards. I'm not going to talk throughout this whole video. I'm just going to kind of let you guys watch it, and I'm going to pop in and out when I feel like I need to explain some things. So enjoy the video. So right here, I'm going to show you guys how I lay the bleach onto the lace. And when I'm doing this, I'm not putting a lot of pressure onto it, because you don't want the lace to seep. You don't want the bleach to seep through the lace, which causes the color to get on the hair. And you don't want that, because it'll look very, very nasty. So this is what I do. And you want to go above the hairline just a little bit, just in case you want to do a little frontal method, leave a little baby hairs and stuff like that. This is a dome style cap that I use. One size fit all, you know. And that's what the bleach look like. That's what it should look like. You see that? Blend game gonna be fire. So what I'm doing right here is just setting the lace onto the cap, and I do set my front of my closure like a little bit above the wig cap, just in case, you know, I pull, tug, and all this stuff as I sew. So just here going forward, I'm going to sew the closure onto the cap. I'm going to sew on one side, the other side, then the back. Y'all are going to see that here in the video. So here you go. Chose over there? Look like DJ Chose. And there we go, y'all. See how flat that is all the way around? Yeah, and I am using Kendra Boutique. Yes, Kendra Boutique hair. You know, her shit is fire. Excuse my language, but it's fire. And I did use all 30 inches throughout this whole install. So just right here, I am just going to be sewing 3 bundles into this wig, and it's going to be nice, y'all. So just stay, watch, and enjoy. Man, big him. So yes, as you guys can see, I am just sewing and sewing and sewing all the way until I get to the tiznop. You want to make sure that you are sewing close together so you won't have lumps, bumps, and bruises. And when I make my wigs, I typically don't cut my tracks. I usually do the flip over method. And yes, y'all gonna see that here. And yeah, so I'm just gonna keep sewing on up to the tiznop, and y'all gonna see this beautiful foundation on this wig. Okay. So we approaching the top. We finna cut this thread here. And look at that, y'all. Look how close that is to that closure. And look how flat that is, baby. So now you guys are gonna see me style this 5x5. Now we finna get into it for real. We finna get into it. Man, big Kim. Okay, y'all, I'm not gonna talk too much right here too. All y'all finna see is me pluck, 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 pluck. Do not be afraid to pluck. Y'all gonna see me show as like the hair as it come out, like as I comb it and stuff like that as I'm plucking. So don't be afraid to have a big glob of hair after you finish plucking, baby. That's how you know you did right, okay? And so I do kind of part back a little bit and kind of pluck just to kind of make it a little bit more thinner across the hairline. But you don't want to pluck too much, but don't be afraid to pluck. Don't pluck in the same spot. Kind of go randomly and just pluck, pluck, pluck until you're comfortable. So that's all I'm doing right here until the end of the video, and y'all will see the end result. Chose over there? Look like DJ Chose. So right here, you kind of see me just comparing the side that I plucked to the side that I didn't pluck. You guys clearly see the difference. So yeah, that's that. Voila, at this point both sides are plucked. Look at how much hair I plucked out on both sides, y'all. That's a lot. So now you're gonna just see me, I put a little mousse on both sides. I'm gonna wrap it up, sit under dryer, kind of lay it flat, you know. And we're gonna clip them baby hairs a little bit. And mainly on this video, I'm just showing you guys how I prep my wigs for my clients who just kind of want to come pick it up, or this is how I prep my wigs for when I make them and sell them. I don't do too much styling to them because I kind of leave it up to my client unless they, you know, ask for me to style it. So that's pretty much how I get my wigs prepped for my people. So, and don't forget to get you a a high comb, y'all, for them sides and them edges, baby, because that does wonders. And yes, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This is pretty much what I do to get my wigs ready for my clients, for my buyers, for people who just want to come get it and, you know, do it themselves. So this is it. You know, it's nothing to it but to do it. So I hope my video helped y'all out there. Y'all have a good day. Bye.